I'm just doing doing a part two of the New Zealand dollar trade because I want to see this close. I've put my stop loss down, so whatever happens, I make a profit of just £3.50. But ideally, I mean, I don't usually do that either. I keep the stop loss up where it originally was, up on this other end of this candle, because this is the engulfing candle here. I want to just video this trade taking the profit. It's now 7.89, £8. It got as close as here, and I just thought it was going to kick on. So we got another chance here. Ideally, and this will just be part two of the other video of me showing you the trade, the New Zealand dollar. I could close out and make 8.30 at the moment, but I'm going to leave it as I believe it will come down. I think it'll actually break this and come down to these lows here, you know. So we're like 2 pips away. So frustrating. Just wanted to get it on video, that was all really. Again, just to show this strategy works, man. It works so well. You know, I don't usually trade the hour. I don't like the small time frames. But all I've done is seen this engulfing candle break the middle Bollinger Band. It's breaking, it's a nice break of the trend line. There's plenty of space to move to the bottom Bollinger Band. Also, these lows here. Support 2 was down here. So plenty of room to move here, which it has done. We just need to see it just come down to this point here. I've moved my stop loss from here to here. I never normally do, but I don't normally trade the hours. So I just thought this was going to just ping the old take profit, and I just thought I'll bring it down for the sake of it. You know, you can manage these trades at the same time. You know, even if your rules are not to, sometimes I don't mind doing that at all. It's not going to do it. While we're on video, you watch. I'll stop this, and in the next 5 or 10 minutes it will close out on that profit. But hey, so be it. It doesn't matter, does it? We'll just give it a little bit more time. So yeah, an hour trade, as you can see. And it was a nice engulfing candle. And broke the trend line which I drew in. It's below the daily pivot point, very important if you're selling. Had room to breathe because it broke the middle Bollinger Band, and the lows here were, you know, you had 14 pips to make, which was, you know, it ended up being a 1.5 to 1, which, you know, it's not to be sniffed at all. You know, you got to think that's, let's say 1 and 1.4, it's 140%. So your binaries can do one for me, 0.75 return. I mean, you've got to be so good with binaries. And you tie that in with the martingale system, I just don't think you can ever win. You know, you might win for, you know, good 2, 3, 4, 5 months even. But in the long run, you will get stung because you've got to build that account up. Build it. And you'll need that 4th or 5th bullet and you're out of the game. But we're not talking martingale here at all. This is proper Forex trading, proper money management, stop loss, take profit, entry level, so easy to manage. People think Forex is like, oh my God, you could blow your account. Of course you could if you left it completely on its own. But I've got a stop loss that I've actually moved. The stop loss is going to win me £3.48. You know, I can't lose now, but hopefully it's going to come down and win me £11.21. I've got a small account, as you can see. I'm just trading a 1% risk per trade. And I'm up over, what did I say? I'm up, without these trades that are floating at the moment, I'm up 17% since 9th of May, so it's like 5 weeks, but it was actually more than that because I've got 20 quid to put in, which I can't do yet because I've got a few of these to just kind of tie up. But if I just went close, 19, 20 quid, whatever it may be, when I do that, if I did that, I'm not going to, 20 quid on to, yeah, so it would be 820, would be more than 17%. So, you know, when you look at, if you had a bigger account, you know, you're making nice money. Right, it's gone back up. I'm rabbiting on. I'm not even sure this will still be recording. It is. Not sure what memory I've got, but I'll do a Snapchat. I'll do a snapshot if this candle comes down. What are we on the hour? We've only got another 50 minutes of the hour. So yeah, got to sign out. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.